Hello friends, myself Aman Kumar. I am having near about 15 years of experience in software testing, both in manual as well as automation. I was planning to make our videos on YouTube for a long time, but it didn't happen so far. But yeah, the day has come when I have started planning my videos so that these videos can help you guys to enhance your skill, to improve your skill in software testing. So, without wasting a lot of time, I'm going to start the topic, that is SDLC. SDLC means Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. Software can be also replaced with the word like system. So SDLC can be also called as System Development Lifecycle. Let's try to understand what is SDLC. Okay, so you can say SDLC is a framework which provides set of guidelines like how to collect the requirement, how to do the designing part, how to do the development as well as testing, and do the deployment part. So all these activities comes under SDLC. So yeah, without SDLC there is always chance to get failure of the project. If you are not following the phases of SDLC, there is chance to get fail in the project. Maybe that we are not able to deliver project on time with quality. So if you really want to deliver the quality within time, within budget, within quality, then it's urgent, you can say it's important to follow SDLC. Okay, so SDLC generally guided by software engineering, who deals with software documentation part. Means software documented related activities are generally done by software engineering. This is one of the most important department which generally defines standard for software development, for test planning, for CMM, and for other standards. Okay. So if you are googling this topic, you can find lot of classification based on different search pages. Okay, here the pages which I would try to explain you, that is according to IEEE standards. Okay, IEEE means Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Okay, so let's see the phases of SDLC. So below are the phases of SDLC. First phase is feasibility study. Second phase is analysis. Third phase is design, fourth phase is coding, fifth phase is testing, last like sixth phase is deployment and maintenance. Okay. So every phase has some input document and some output document. Okay. So feasibility study, let's start with feasibility study. Okay. So feasibility study means how feasible this requirement is to convert into software requirements. Okay, like customer has a set of requirements. That requirements needs to get reviewed by business analyst team to simply check how feasible we are. So when feasibility study of the requirement is done by business analyst team, they follow a very powerful formula, that is TELOS. TELOS. Every alphabet in this TELOS group has some specific meaning. So let's understand what the meaning of different alphabets. So T stands for technically, E stands for economically, L stands for legal, O stands for operational, S stands for schedule. Okay. Now we have a set of requirement. That requirements will pass through TELOS activities just to check the feasibility study. So the first team is technically. So the requirements raised by the clients will be technically reviewed, like how feasible we are from technical point of view. Technical means available hardware resources, software skills. The skills which we are having within the organizations, are they capable to technically develop this requirement into the part of functionality? So that will be done by BA team. Second is economically. This means BA team generally analyze, are we capable to develop this software within budget, because client has a budget. If you are able to develop this software within budget, that's great. Next is legal. Legal means the requirements raised by the client are legally valid or not. Means cyber law of our country does allow to work on such a requirement. Suppose if any client comes and asking to make a software to get the information of the military, so making such a software is illegal, because military containing very sensitive information. That information cannot be stolen by anyone. Nobody has right to take and disclose this information to anyone. So yeah, so legal means the requirements is legal or not. Okay. The next is operational. Operational means like we have a set of requirements. So just to evaluate whether our team is capable to implement all these requirements or not. Maybe that few requirements are technically not feasible. Like operational, from operational point of view, it is not feasible. Like customer has come a set of requirement to just do the transaction by showing the QR code. Like take an example of ATM machine. Client is coming with such type of requirement. Just go in front of ATM machine, scan the QR code and do the transaction. Maybe that the development company is not capable to operationally develop these types of requirement. So operational means, from operational point of view, how feasible our organization is to work on such types of requirement. Last is schedule. Schedule means time frame. Client has a time frame. So BA team generally do analysis, do feasibility study, that are we able to complete this software within defined time frame, because this is also very important. If client is looking to get this software within 1 year, and after analysis BA team after feasibility study, BA team think that no, it's not possible to complete within 1 year. So yeah, from schedule point of view, we need to ask for some more time frame. So yeah, schedule is again very important. Just to do the feasibility study of the requirement based on schedule, that can we complete this work, can we complete this software within time. So this is very important activity. Okay, feasibility study is very important, because this activity is generally shows us that how feasible we are actually to work on the software. So after doing the feasibility study, a document will be generated by the BA team, and that document can be FSD document, functional specification document. So FSD is a document. Maybe that some other organization can use some other naming convention for the same document, but FSD means it's a document which generally contains the requirement after having the feasibility study. So FSD is a non-technical document. FSD is a non-technical document, and this document cannot be referred by development team, QA team for their own activities, because it has lot of constants from technical point of view, because technical guys need this requirement into some specific format. Got it? So after feasibility study, when FSD document will be completed, next phase will be started, that is analysis. So first was feasibility, second is analysis. So I've already informed you that every phase has some input document and some output document. So analysis phase has input document like FSD, and this FSD is a non-technical document. Now the objective of analysis phase is to convert this non-technical document into the technical document, and this will be done by system analyst. The objective of this phase is to simply convert FSD document into a technical document. Means this non-technical document into technical document. Means FSD document will be converted into the form of SRS document. SRS means software requirement specification. So SRS document is a technical document. Every organization has some defined format for this phase. So SRS document has a defined format, and this format contains all input which can be required by the development and QA team. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll continue to complete this SDLC into next part of my session. So for today, we have gone through feasibility study and analysis. I'm expecting that you people will feel happy. Technically, these 2 points will help you to make your understanding more better in more technically way. So yeah, I will continue from the next phase into the next session. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thanks.